So even you, while you are in the field selling water purifiers, you have to think about fighting in a real jungle to be able to get the performance you have always had in your work. If you are a retailer, if you sell water purifiers, have you ever noticed that it has become more and more difficult to be different from the crowd? More and more companies or professionals who are not in the industry improvise and start offering water purifiers thinking only of the sale in the short term and not taking care of all the after-sales service. Not to mention companies putting prices and offers on the internet that devalue the products. But the worst thing is that now the water purifiers on the market are all the same. So both the companies in the industry and the improvised companies work with the same models of water purifiers. And the worst consequence of this is that the end user, not seeing the difference between one product and another, decide only on the basis of the price. If you distribute water purifiers and work in the sales side, doesn't this situation I just described demotivate you? Doesn't it make you lose that enthusiasm to present products that every salesperson should have? I'm Fabio Tesi, and in this video we are going to see what two dangerous water purifier salespeople encounter and how they can protect themselves permanently by regaining the right motivation and enthusiasm that will allow them to sell one water purifier after another without the slightest effort. If you are working in the sales network of a company that distributes water purifiers and you feel unmotivated or without the right enthusiasm when presenting products to customers, there is a good news. And that is not your fault. It's not the fault of your sales skills. The two real problems are the rise of improvised competitors, both online and physical, and the monotony of the water purifiers on the market. The combination of these two factors is lethal for companies that have been working professionally and seriously in the industry for a long period of time. Now, as you continue watching this video, are you realizing that if you work in a company that sells water purifiers and it is a structured company that has been in the industry for years, it is extremely important that you find a way to defend yourself and eliminate all those improvised companies and the internet offers around you that annoy and demotivate you during the work. As you can see, more and more people are buying water purifiers. And this means that more and more companies are coming in the market. Which is why either you start to stand out from the crowd now, charged with new motivation and enthusiasm, or it may be too late because some of your competitors will make this move before you by taking home results that could have been yours. You are probably wondering now how to eliminate all this competition you have around you permanently, forever, and regain the right motivation to propose water purifiers to your customers. In accordance with Paolo Tesi, considered one of the top experts in Europe in water purifier design, I'm about to reveal to you the single features that will allow you to stand out from the competition and sell water purifiers with no effort. Let's talk about the Design 4.0. Have you noticed that today every object is connected? Every object has a display? Does every object have to look good enough to be ready to be posted on the social media? Especially if you are talking about products to be placed in homes. If you could offer customers a water purifier that has the 4.0 features I just described, don't you think it will be much easier to get your customers' attention? It's like the product does the work for you because it sells itself. Because that's exactly what people are looking for in the digital age. So if you are tired of being demotivated because you don't want to sell water purifiers that everyone has, the key is to find a water purifier that respects the characteristics of the Design 4.0. That is a mix of design, so a beautiful aesthetics, combined with the advantage of the digitalization. So, having reached this point, the way I see things, you have two ways. Either continue to fight with improvised companies with the mass internet offerings, which demotivate you or your sales network, having negative consequences on the sales performance, And you might be okay with this strategy because many have learned to live with such of situation. Or you can get the right product to do the job for you, managing to stand out from the crowd and maintaining the right motivation through water purifiers with 4.0 design, innovative and selling without effort.